All right, guys, it's a little different video today. We're going to be working on the Yamaha. I've got a little project that we need to do here to get this thing a little bit more ready here as we get closer to the fall, or we're pretty much in fall, and you know, up till shorter days. So we're going to be putting some lights. Another thing that we've got to get done is I need a push bar for this. We have the push bar. I've just got to get a mount welded on it. So we've got a couple of little things, little project here that we're going to do on the Yamaha. I got some parts from good old Harbor Freight. We're going to see what we can do. Here's what we got. I thought this would be the easiest way to get everything taken care of. I just went to Harbor Freight, got our 6-inch LED spotlight, 617 feet it says, and then the light bar wiring kit. This should all pretty much be plug and play. I'm going to go through and your guys are going to learn with me. I'm going to open this and see if this is going to go where I think it will go. So let's check that out. So I did have this. This is sort of, I don't know, somebody did this before. I got this, their little custom bash bar here, and this fit perfectly and should symmetric. It's not bad. Could have put it on any one, but I like this being a little higher here. It's still going to be, I mean, we have lights on the front of the car, so when this thing is pushing the car, if we do end up using a push bar, obviously this will be, we probably could have put something up here, but I like where we're at. So let's go ahead and tackle some of this wiring stuff. I wasn't going to, brutalize you guys watch me open this deal, but let's see what all comes in this wiring kit. Now, one thing I do like is these are all the DT connectors. I cannot get this out. There we go. These are all DT connectors, which is very cool. We got different fuses, 2 or 3, 4 fuses, 2 or 3 40 fuses. And this is actually, I think, it has an 80-inch splitter if you want to do, I think this will work for, works for 2 cube lights or 1 big light. It just depends. But I think this is our splitter. Yeah, this will be the splitter, which, who knows, we may use that one day. Cool thing about that, actually, now that I think about it, this came with this, and then over here, this right here came with it. So if we ever wanted to, that is a nice male plug for that. And we can add some additional lights. The wiring harness that it comes with. And this will go to our plug all the way up at the front of the golf cart here. Then obviously ground, power to battery. And then it is going to be fused. And then in here, we have us a switch. Got to figure out where we want to put that. And what do we got here? A relay. Boom. So let me do a little bit of figuring on this this unit, where we want to put everything or how it's going to be installed, and then we'll proceed. Right, so this deal's been pretty simple. Obviously, not worried about this being just extremely clean here, but we ground to the battery. This battery needs a strap, by the way. I'm gonna put one of those on there, and then power to the other side. Went ahead and mounted self-tapping screw, our relay right here, and then drilled this out, and we're already hooked up. The power is already to that, which I think that means that there's already a fuse in there, obviously. But went ahead, zip tied our wires to the frame. It's a little more difficult to zip tie this. So now we've just got to run that front wire all the way up to the front, get her zip tied up out of the way, and we'll be good to go. Zip ties are a-okay for this project, in my opinion. So we got this done. I've got all the help here. And I'll just show you, it's not the prettiest down under here, but we ran it right along the frame, right through there. You actually sort of can't see it, to be honest with you. And ran it up. I went ahead and zip tied a bunch of it back here, because they do give you a lot of extra. But we went ahead and did that. Oh, what does the baby doll think? So this has been a very easy install, to be honest with you. I was extremely surprised and worth the money, in my opinion. If you don't have a ton of electrical items, this would be something that, like, I mean, somebody who has very limited tools, like you have a tool set and, you know, some zip ties, you can easily install this kit and install a light bar on here. So let's, I mean, it was very, very simple. Everything zip tied up and out of the way. So excuse the mess. Let us see, give us some light, Cashton. Nice. Nothing crazy, but let's go, let's see what it looks like outside. Hold on. Yeah, this is, let's go ahead and let's see how we're outside. See what the difference is. Go ahead and hit it. Ooh, nice. We need to,
we go to Dollar General?
No, we're not going to Dollar General. Yeah, this works. This works. We can see what's going on now. Before, Cashy can tell you, this was a lot more difficult to load and unload. And now we can use this, which we do need to go ahead and, no, we're gonna go ahead and adjust this up just a hair. I think it's not so tight that I can't just, there we go. There we go, good spot, good. Make sure, yeah, right there, boom. Look at that. Let's go. Yep, go ahead and turn it off. Ooh, okay. After. Nice. All right. Let's take her. That's much better. That looks awesome.
It looks way better on the camera.
You know what this is good for? Street racing. Just saying. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and go. We'll go and load this bad boy up. All right. Sorry, neighbors. Yeah, this is nice. Let's miss the wife's ride here. Bring it back down in here, and then we'll load it up tomorrow. Excuse the mess, guys. All right. Booyah, boys. We got her done. The only thing that I see being a problem is we got to make sure that we cut this thing off because it is powered directly to the battery. So we have to make sure that we are off.
Yeah, we didn't have a problem cutting it on.
I know, but at nighttime, no. Actually, yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if the key is on or off because the key, yeah, because like on, where are we at? On, light on.
It's on.
Go ahead and hit the key off because I don't think that, yeah, has nothing to do with it because it doesn't have a key. I could have definitely wired that in, but I like it how we have it. This is much better. So, yeah, big shout out. Harbor Freight coming in clutch with some, I mean, I've got $80 in this, or like maybe $72. Yeah, she's so rotten. This is who's this? Who's this right here?
I don't know.
What does that look like?
It looks like Pennywise.
That's not it. Anyways.
This is Pennywise.
All right. So, huge shout out. Like I said, Harbor Freight, get me taken care of. I've got like less than $90 for a brand new LED and wiring kit. And I don't have to solder and crimp and do anything. Done deal. So, and if I wanted to, I could probably do a splitter and put a huge light up here. But that is definitely plenty for what I need it for these racetracks. You know, it is dangerous to run around a dark racetrack with no lights. And we've been doing that for close to a year now. Yeah, we've had issues. So now I'll just make sure we turn it off and we're good to go. So just a little thing here. And yeah, that's just a little upgrade that needed to do. And now it's done. The other thing that we've got is, I'll show you guys. We got ourselves a push bar. I believe this is chromoly and should have everything needed to to hook it up, other than I've got to figure out some brackets, some metal welded on there. I'm not going to be doing that in this video, but the car already has a point where we can use, and so not a huge ordeal. I actually was able to do that last year with Turbo John's, I think. I don't remember exactly. We pushed it, didn't we?
Yeah,
we pushed it with Turbo John's.
With the smart car.
With the smart car,
I was
yeah.
in it while he pushed
Yeah,
it. And it
so
was screechy.
We've just got to figure out a way to mount that deal to the golf cart, and then we'll be good to go. So those are my biggest upgrades for this, for the golf cart. So guys, really appreciate you watching. Hopefully you got some good content or good information from this. And don't be scared to go to Harbor Freight and buy the wiring kits and LEDs. It is definitely going to be a game changer for us, and I really like something that's just plug and play. Really, I mean, it's super plug and play. That is freaking awesome. So, all right, that's it for this video, guys. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the